Hi guys, welcome back to the project series. In the last video, I have told you how to pick the perfect final year project from my website. And these projects use the latest tools and technologies and they look super strong on your resume and they will give you an edge in placements and interviews. And I also told you after selecting the project, the first step is to understand the tools and technologies used in it. So now in this video, we are going to actually build one project from start to finish with the help of AI. So no confusion and no heavy theory, and everything explained in the simplest way possible. From my list, let's pick this one. AI Comment Classifier. The goal. It will read the comment and tell you whether it's an insult, threat, love, hate, harassment, or any other categories. The tools used in this project are Python, TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn, NLTK, and Streamlit. So here is an example. If the comment is "you are disgusting and dumb," the output will be like insult and hate. It can even detect positive tags like love or support. This is a super useful for moderating online communities, removing the toxic comments from the social media, or even building a feedback tool for a website. So let's start building this project. Step number 1. Learn the tools first. Before touching any code, first learn the tools we are using. For example, Python, main programming language for our logic, TensorFlow or Keras for building and training machine learning models, Scikit-learn for splitting data, training models, and calculating accuracy, NLTK for breaking up the comments into words and cleaning the text, Streamlit for making the project into a simple web app. So you don't have to be an expert in all these right now, but you just need to know why and where these tools are used. That's the difference between doing a project and understanding it. The step number 2, install everything with the help of AI. Now we need to set up our environment. Here is a prompt you can copy and paste into ChatGPT to make sure you'll get all the installations right. Prompt number 1, environment setup. So let's type this prompt into our ChatGPT. So this is my project. Paste your project description where you got from the PDF. I'm building it in VS Code. Give me the complete list of all required pip install commands and any additional file requirements. Make sure you don't include every dependency, avoid outdated packages, and give installation commands in correct order. So after giving this prompt, it will give you what are the requirements needed for the project. Paste the output in your VS Code terminal and hit enter and wait for the installation. Boom, you are ready. And let's go to step 3. Get the perfect workflow. Now, we need a clear step-by-step roadmap before writing a single line of code. Use this prompt for this. Prompt number 2. Act as a senior data science engineer with 10 years of experience. Break down this project into logical sections in the correct order. For each section, explain exactly what to do and why it's needed and what are the mistakes to avoid. Suggest the algorithms for the highest accuracy and the dataset resource and recommended pre-processing methods. Be clear, detailed, and avoid generic explanations. With this prompt, you will get the workflow like data collection, data cleaning, tokenization, vectorization, model selection and training, testing and evaluation. So after getting the workflow of this project, you need to make sure that you understand the workflow clearly. Let's move on to the step number 4. Don't try to do everything at once. So let's break this into section wise. Take the first section which ChatGPT has given you and give this prompt. Write the complete Python code for the section you have mentioned, fully explained with comments, and make sure it's optimized for readability and accuracy. Avoid any hard paths and make sure the code is error free. Do that for every section one by one. So we need to do the sections for collecting the data, cleaning the data, process text, training the model, and building the interface. So if anything breaks, use this prompt. Here's my code. Here is the error. Fix it and explain why the error happened. Make sure that this fix doesn't create new issues. Let's move on to step number 5. After getting all the codes and pasting it into the VS Code, we'll get a rough idea on how to do the project. By understanding everything, you will learn and build the project on yourself. And after this, use this prompt. Suggest any 3 approaches to improve the accuracy of this model and include better preprocessing, alternative models, and hyperparameter tuning or better datasets. Make sure this approach is detailed and practical. So here there will be only 2 outputs. One is error 1 and another one is on your actual output. The first one is errors. If you get any errors, just go to ChatGPT again and get your error fixed. And the last thing, after getting your outputs, you need to test your accuracy and efficiency of the project. So if your accuracy is above 90 or 85, you are good to go. So now after finishing the project, here is your opportunity. After finishing your project, you can upload your project under your name on my website so that other students can learn from your work and your name stays there forever. This is a great opportunity for you guys to showcase your skills. So students, if you have been thinking that starting a career in a data science but you don't really know where to begin, I recently came across something that can give you a clear guaranteed path. So Intenshala has launched their updated data science placement guarantee course with AI. So basically it's designed to take you from complete beginner to job ready in just 6 months. You will start from the Excel, Power BI, SQL, the basics, and move on to Python, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and even the latest AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and the debuggcode.ai. The best part is it's not just recorded videos. You will get live classes, doubt solving sessions, and hands-on projects. So by the end, you actually have a portfolio that recruiters take it seriously. So now about the placement guarantee, there is something I really like. There is a 100% placement guarantee, or you will get your full course fee refunded if you are not placed within 6 months of completing it. Of course, you need to put in the work, attend the sessions, complete assignments, and stay consistent. It's not a shortcut, it's a proper structured path to a real career. And honestly, I know students who have joined this course and landed jobs. Some even from non-tech backgrounds like mechanical engineering or EEE. And you can also even get government approved certificates from NSDC and Skill India, plus an Intenshala certificate, which adds a lot of credibility on your resume and LinkedIn. And keep in mind that they will guide you through resume building, mock interviews, and one-on-one mentorship, and even exclusive job opportunities only open to course graduates. The course is online, so you can manage it from the college or work. And the most important thing, there is also a guaranteed 40,000 internship stipend, and it is a part of the program. The batches start soon and the seats are limited. So if you're really interested in the data science path, so check out the link in the description and get started. So from the 6 months from now, you will be the next success story I'll be talking about. So the recap for the today video is, we have learned how to set up your environment easily, how to get a perfect project workflow, how to code section by section without confusion, and how to handle and fix errors, and how to improve the accuracy. In the next video, I'll show you how to upload your project to GitHub and add it to your resume. If this video helped you, share it with your friends who are stuck with final year projects. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down what project you are trying to next, and get onto my website.